We are pleased to show you the 2017 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power tailgate, lane departure warning, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel, heated side mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.